From Mumbai, tragedy struck. 3 people were killed and 7 were injured after a portion of an under-construction bridge collapsed near Mumbai's international airport. A case of negligence and causing grievous hurt has been registered against the site engineer as well as the contractor in the case. A case of negligence registered there. Several workers were trapped under the bridge and they were rescued by the fire brigade. The bridge, a part of the ambitious Mumbai airport revamping project, is meant to connect the domestic terminal to the international airport. Well, let's go across to Rashmi Rajput for more. Rashmi, another incident of a bridge collapsing in Mumbai, and in this case, 3 people have been killed.
Yes, Gargi, a shocking incident where 3 people died last night, while 7 others are injured. Let me just show you the morning visuals of the site. Now, that's where the incident happened. That is a slab that collapsed around 11:30 last night, killing 3 people and injuring over 7. Now, this work has stopped. Now, this is the Sahar elevated corridor. It's one of the ambitious projects that connects the Western Express Highway to the terminal building, the International Airport Terminal building. And as you can see, the debris has been cleared. This particular work at this particular site has been stopped. Though there is a little bit of traffic snarl on the Western Express Highway, but the situation is very much under control. Now, as far as investigation into the case go, the police have registered a case under various sections of the IPC, including that of causing death by negligence and grievous hurt. And also, they have booked the site engineer, they have booked the contractor, they have booked the staff of SLAP, the slab company which is responsible for the construction of this particular bridge. It is a company who was subcontracted this contract by L&T. The L&T is the main contractor here, and a case has been registered against them. The police is conducting the investigations and say the arrest may be made once they have been able to ascertain which contractor and which engineer was responsible for yesterday's mishap. Gargi?